I'm a very outgoing person, but I noticed that as far as interact with people, I noticed that I didn't want to be around people as much, again, because of my teeth. I had a lot of cavities. I'm old, so there are all those silver cavities that eventually fell out. And then there'd be a gap, and there's another one, my teeth would crack, so I ended up with a lot of cracked teeth. And I couldn't eat like spicy food, real cold food, real hot food. It affected my self-esteem. I wouldn't smile. It really had a real impact on my way of living, which I didn't like. I can't remember what I was eating. It wasn't anything really hard. It was probably Whataburger. And I was there eating, and it was that straw that broke the camel's back. It was like, okay, this has got to stop. And it's like, I'm gonna end up with like no back teeth. And once that started happening, it's just like, I don't want to say an epiphany, but it's kind of like, okay, this has got to stop. I've got to do something. There's something I can do, I'm gonna do it. Well, I went to several different places that do implants. I came here and set up the appointment, just fell in love with the staff. The whole different feeling with the chain, it was more of a hard sell. But when it's such an important decision, you have to really like the people that you're with and feel comfortable with it, because it is a big choice to do it. And with Dr. Galvano's Smile Institute, I felt that right away. And once I got here, I got medication, and it went smooth. I mean, they took out all of my teeth, uppers and lowers. My smile is everything to me, because I'm a happy guy, and I show it with my smile. My gratitude for the doctors and staff is overwhelming. I mean, they were instrumental in changing my life. I can't thank them enough.